quick?
I did not realize. I forgot how scary the lady. I swear, if I see her one more time, I'm gonna. I got good. Yeah, it makes 0 sense, because why do we have limits? And there are so many ores, but so less ores. Gold. Bro, the thing you, the haunted woman was that star of mine.
I know. Wait, go and cut.
We killed her because she jump scared me while I was in safe zone. How the hell did she get up here? Guys, I'm stuck in planetarium. This bitch won't. Just, what do you mean you're stuck in planetarium? All you have to do is eat the 2 small things.
Can anybody come to the brain? I only need 2 people.
You eat 2 small and you go into the earth. What do you mean, bro? The sun.
Dude, I need someone to go to the brain.
The sun's gravitational pull is too strong. Okay. Hold up, I'm on Earth. Planetarium is always up bottom, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, planetarium is always up bottom. I hit someone. I know, I'm here.
People are saying, go and code Bunny in Bunny Money.
Where are you? I'm in planetarium. You're in planetarium? Yeah, so they still switch up the places now, but the lady is terrified. Oh, are you? Where'd you get stuck? I'm literally looking for it. Pull was too strong, so it kept launching me out. I've seen it before. Oh, I hear you. I'm going back to spawn then. She's back! She's back!